This is Vincent from EV Europe. As you see here in the background, we are a company that converts cars to 100% electric. We have the really cool projects here at the moment, like the Beetle, the Citroën, the E-Type. You see in the back, you see Rolls. We have a HI truck, and we convert a lot of cars every year. But by doing so, we also want to make it possible for you to convert your car to electric with our brand new hypE conversion kit. For this, we decided to make a short series of movies to explain you what it is, what you need to do to convert your car, and we decided to make a lot of instruction videos for you to make it easier and to do it right at the first time. I will try to explain you a bit more about our hypE propulsion. Down below here you see the motor. Motor is really nice technology. It's Reluctance motor technology. That's the latest, most efficient motor technology available at the moment. It is very efficient, 95% at a very, very long range of RPM. That's completely different than compared to standard AC motors. It's the most efficient way, since if you're driving a car, you are using a big bandwidth of RPM. It has been quite difficult to control reluctance motor technology for many, many years, especially at high powers. However, we do have a really nice motor controller that's being able to control it now, so it's really nice. It's 100 kilowatt peak power motor. But what's more inside? Of course, the motor inverter. That's the frequency converter that's rotating the motor and changing the speed. But what's more inside? We try to put as many parts as possible inside this motor unit. So as you see here, this is the 12-volt output. You can immediately connect it to your 12-volt battery and it will charge it. It has a DC-DC converter inside. Here you see a 17-pole connector. So there are 17 wires which you can use to connect to all kind of parts in the car. For the charging, for the charge lock, for the CAN bus, for the KSI, for the throttle, for the brake light, for the reverse light, you name it, we have included it in here. But don't worry, you can already run this motor with only 5 wires, so a throttle and a key switch signal. Then it will start. We have already programmed it, we have tested it, it has run here at our factory, it will run maximum efficiency already. What more do we have? Just switching to the other side. 2 high voltage wires. You make your electric car, you connect plus and the minus from your high voltage battery here. Together with the 5 wires, it will run. We have a USB connector here, just a standard USB connector, no special programming tools, software you will get from us for free, so no other cost. You can change parameters, you can lower the power, you can change it, different profiles are inside, really nice. But there's more inside, because inside here we have charging electronics, so you can charge your car at the public charger, it's in here. And we also have a dedicated PCB to make sure all the signals here are low voltage. At many motor controllers, all the signals are high voltage. It's all isolated inside the box. We put it in a box so we could assemble it for you to make your conversion easier, but we also had to put it in a box to comply with automotive rules. To comply with those automotive rules, we had to have this unit tested against automotive rules, European automotive R10 or R100 rules. To do this, you need to do some radiation tests, electromagnetic interference test. To make sure all the radiation stays inside the box, we made a closed box also to the motor, it's closed. The wires are shielded, so this way we managed to approve it with only half of the allowed level of radiation. So that's really safe. So in the next series of movies, we will guide you to all the components in our kit. So we have a really nice manual. You will get a dedicated wiring diagram for your build. But to make it easier, to make it better understandable, to make sure you don't make any mistake, we decided to make some short movies. We tried to make them short of all the jobs you have to do to make your electric car with our conversion kit. So we're going to show you how to connect the BMS, how to configure it. Only the last part because we already pre-configured it. We're going to show you how to make the cables, high voltage, how to connect the hypE unit, how to connect the throttle, how to run it. And we're going to make a series of small movies done by me or one of my colleagues. So I really hope you want to subscribe to our channel and follow us.